In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to transform normal footage into an oil-painted canvas style video. This effect makes your footage look like it was painted using brush strokes instead of being recorded with a camera. Let's get started. First, select your clip on the timeline. Now go to the effects panel and search for brush strokes. Drag and drop the effect onto your clip. Next, open the effect controls panel. Here you'll see several settings that control how the paint strokes appear. Start with stroke angle. This controls the direction of the brush strokes across the image. Changing this value rotates the direction of the paint strokes. Next, adjust brush size. Increasing the brush size makes the strokes larger and more visible. Lower values keep the strokes smaller and more detailed. Now adjust stroke length. This determines how long the paint strokes appear across the frame. Higher values make the strokes stretch further across the image. Next, adjust stroke density. This controls how many brush strokes appear across the footage. Higher density creates a more filled painted look. Now experiment with stroke randomness. This adds variation to the brush strokes, so the effect looks more natural instead of perfectly uniform. Next, look at paint surface. You can choose whether the strokes paint directly on the original footage or on a different surface style. Finally, adjust blend with original. Increasing this value mixes some of the original footage back with the painted effect, which can help retain more details. Play the clip and fine-tune the settings until the footage looks like a painted canvas animation. And that's it. You've successfully created an oil-painted canvas effect using the brush strokes effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.